Assembly mop handle. Screw together the sections of the mop handle. Attach the assembled handle to the flat baseboard. Microfiber pad attachment. Important step. Secure the microfiber pad to the bottom of the flat board. Press the snap buttons down to secure the microfiber pad in place. Bucket. Place the two side panels by inserting them all the way in. Place the two caps in the drainage holes to prevent spills during use. Place and secure the bucket cover by securing the two side clips. Usage. The bucket is divided into two sections, a wet side and a dry side. Fill the side with the bigger opening with water or cleaning solution. Dip the mop into the wet side of the bucket, saturating it with water or cleaning solution. Insert the mop into the other side to wring it and remove excess water.